What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I made about $166 on the day today, and it was a pretty good day. I wanted to share with you guys what the strategy was, what I traded, what were some of the levels that were honored, and basically what my play was. One little tweak of things that I did want to share with you guys. I am transitioning over to a trading challenge for a prop firm account where hopefully if the strategy works, I'll be able to pass that challenge and over time get access to about $100,000. Basically, that's what the idea is. And I took it slow today. I only bought 2 contracts of ESM, and the strategy was the same. Every strategy that I do has the same exact steps. I saw a supply zone turn into a demand zone, and then went in. And the cool thing about this is it kind of tells you where the entry and exit is going to be taking place, and this is what you can see. So one key thing that I want to pay attention to, I watched the SPY while trading ES because I want to make sure that SPY is not going into a supply or demand zone. These are the 4-hour zones. Okay, this is on my Thinkorswim. Right, I watch SPY on my Thinkorswim, and then on my Trading View or my Webull, I watch the ES. Okay, and this is kind of exactly what I had traded. You can see $166.84 were made on the day, which is pretty good. Okay, and this is exactly what I traded. This was a supply box from this candle at 7:48 in the morning today. We see a 1 2 3 4 5 6 consecutive red candles that happened, and my idea was that once this zone turns into a demand zone, right, when the supply zone turns into demand zone, I will go into longs and I will purchase that position and secure the bag. All right, and that's exactly what happened. On market open, you can see at 8:28 it finally broke above this line. At this point, this zone was considered a green zone. Okay, this zone was considered a green zone, and at that point I was very much interested in longing this. Now my entry was, it tells you right here, my entry was on this candle, and I got out at the high of this candle on the 2 minutes. Okay, the reason why I wanted to secure the bag is because I'm doing this prop firm challenge. Wanted to go in and get out as soon as possible and just try to keep my Monday green on the day. All right, so going forward, I will be explaining to you what my strategy is, how I will be trading my strategy, and what are some of the things to look out for. If you're new in trading, this channel will provide you a somewhat of a rocky but path. I will give you a path to kind of things to look out for and what are some of the things that I trade. The plan here is, as I spoke in my last video, I do plan on trading just once a day, or maybe at most 2 times on the day. I don't want to trade it more. I think I want to keep my win rate high and just hopefully win this prop firm challenge and then get funded. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. If I don't win this challenge, that means the strategy is not working. Okay, that means the risk and reward is all over the place. That means that what I'm preaching on YouTube about and talking to you guys stuff about is all BS. Okay, so hopefully I win this. It may take me some time, but I will win this challenge. The prop firm that I'm using, I'll link it down in the comment section below. You guys can check them out if you want to. It's my first prop firm challenge ever, so my focus would be to just try and winning this to my best ability at least. I think I have a strategy that works in theory. I think if I follow my own rules, I think I will be a profitable trader. I think that the levels don't lie. If you pay attention to the levels, you have a clean entry and exit, you can make a lot of money in this market. Okay, but you have to be patient. You have to focus on your rules that you make, and you have to be patient on when to execute them. You can't just take a random trade. I do wanna go back. If you're here for so long, I do want to share one more chart with you, and I made this chart on ES. Okay, and I just want to share with you guys what this chart tells us. It's a very similar story, and this is on this is the app on Webull. Okay, this is Webull. You can see I'm in the same exact box over here, and close above this box we see on the upside. All right, now these lines on ES main is considered lines that are 4-hour lines. On SPY you might see them, you might not see them. For the most part it's identical, but I just want to share with you and show you guys that how are these lines honored, right? So after this line, it closed above here, it went all the way and touched this 4-hour line, rejection, touch 4-hour line, rejection, and finally it bounced off of the VWAP. If you don't have the VWAP on your chart, make sure to throw the VWAP on your chart. Throw the 9 EMA on your chart. That tells you the direction of the trend in the moment. Okay, these are two very important things to keep an eye out for, to look out for, and overall it's just a good idea to throw them on the chart. As you can see, there was no level over here, there was a level right around here, but this was no level. But if you took the VWAP off, you know that this bounced off of VWAP and then more on the upside. Okay, pretty choppy day, pretty sideways day. That's why I'd like to focus on just one trade on the day and be done. Whether that trade be green or red, our focus is going to be one trade on the day, and I showed you guys what that trade was. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer any questions you guys have regarding my strategy, the prop firm, or the upcoming YouTube videos, or what the channel is going to be about, all that fun stuff. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, like the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are at 48 subscribers, and the channel is starting to finally pick up some speed. Maybe it's because I'm uploading more frequently, I don't know what it is. And hopefully this channel brings you some sort of information that you didn't already know. Okay, or bring some clarity on your trading. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, have a great week. Until next time, bye bye.